Rosano Partners is proud to present For Sale or Lease this 13,830 square foot cannabis qualified insulated steel frame warehouse. It sits on 2 parcels equaling 24,573 square feet, which provides ample parking. This Wilmington location is within the city of Los Angeles, and all licensing would be through the city of LA. This clean, well-kept facility was built in 2005, is constructed on an 8-foot cinderblock base, and has 400 amps at 240 volts, 3-phase. The property features a 16-foot clear pitch roof with a 20-foot top height, 3 drive-in roll-up doors, and has sprinklers installed. This is a great facility for a 10,000 square foot canopy, distribution center, manufacturing, and/or micro-business within the city of Los Angeles, as it qualifies for all license types besides storefront retail. This is a standout property within the Wilmington market and is ideal for a first mover to put together an application for licensing in Los Angeles. This property is situated in the lower south side of the industrial area of Wilmington within the harbor region of the city of Los Angeles. It is conveniently located by the intersection of Alameda Street and North Avalon Boulevard, providing easy access to the 110, 1, 47, 103, and 710 freeways. This property is within close proximity to downtown Long Beach and surrounding cities such as San Pedro, Signal Hill, Torrance, and Carson. This property provides an amazing opportunity to start your cannabis business in the largest cannabis market in the world. Contact Karina Ellis or George Cornelson